naman. Maaga tayo today. Nakaligo na ako, nakakain ako. Maaga ako kasi alis kami, pupunta kami dun sa may nakitang bahay na for sale si Daddy Barry. Malapit din lang dito. 3 bedrooms, malapit din sa beach. So, pupuntahan namin. Bibisitahin namin ngayon kasi may time yung viewing. So, pupunta kami 10:30. So, sakto 10 o'clock ngayon. Mag-ready na ako. Para ready na tayo. Hi guys, natapos ko na lahat ng linisin, lahat ng ayusin, naayos ko na lahat. And ito naman, bahay naman yung aasikasuhin namin. Hanap kami ng bahay na tawag dito. Bahay na ano ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Bahay na bagong lilipatan naman namin. Yan, mag-sunscreen nga muna ako. Ayan. Kasi mainit sa labas. Kasi sinabi ko nga sa inyo kahapon na gusto ni Daddy Barry ng mas malaking bahay. So, dilipat na naman kami. Diba? Katatapos ko lang mag-ayos dito. Tapos, kung mabili namin yung bahay na yung magustuhan niya, dilipat na naman kami. Hahakot na naman. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, ano yan? Hindi na tayo natapos ng kahahakot. Sabi niya, anyways, fine. Kasi last na to, sabi niya. Pag nakalipat tayo doon sa bagong malaking bahay, sabi niya, doon na tayo, live na tayo doon forever. Ayan. Anyway, pag natapos naman nga, ay pahinga naman. After nito guys, inintay ko lang yung aking tax file number tsaka Medicare ko para maka-apply na ako ng work. Kaya timing din kung makalipat na kami sa bagong bahay. After namin makalipat, naayos ko na lahat, naayos na namin lahat. Maka-apply na ako ng work kasi gusto kong mag-work. Pero depende. Parang ayaw ni Daddy Barry mag-work ako. Yun. So, pag-usapan pa namin ng mga bagay na yan. Pero para sa akin kasi gusto ko talaga mag-work. Hindi ako papayag. Yung papayag na hindi ako mag-work. Mag-work talaga ako. Pero dati nga, ang condition nga is mag-work daw ako, hindi full-time. Ganon. Siyempre, kailangan din niya ng time ko para sa kanya. Kaya yun. Sinusuportahan naman niya ako. Kanya lang, syempre, gusto ko pa rin yung may sarili akong kita. Bata pa naman ako eh. Para mag-retired. Tsaka, wala pa akong savings, guys. Oh, God. Wala pa akong na-save sa buhay ko, kundi ang savings ko ay ang mga anak ko. Yun. Napatapos ko sila ng pag-aaral, yung aking dalawa. So, ngayon pinag-aaral pa namin yung bunso. At katulong ko si Daddy Barry sa pag-aaral ng bunso ko. Yan. At magkilay muna tayo guys para maganda-ganda naman yung ating aura today. Grabe yung pagod no guys. Pagod. Naghakot, ang layo. Mabuti sana kung malapit lang. Ang layo kasi. Sa totoong buhay, siguro kung ako magdadrive noon, baka mga 2 oras yun. 2 oras kong i-drive yun. Kasi si Daddy Barry mabilis talaga siya mag-drive. And besides, bawal kasi dito yung magdadrive ka, lalo na sa freeway, sa expressway, bawal ka na mag-drive ka dito ng mabagal. So, pwede namang mabagal, merong lane talaga na dun ka sa lane na mabagal. Syempre, pag ako mag-drive, mga 2 oras yun, ganun siya kalayo, guys. Sa totoo lang. Kasi siya, kung tumakbo siya, mga 120, ganun. 100 to 120. Doon talaga siya. Kaya ako siguro tatakbuhin ko lang yan ng mga 80. Mabilis ko ng takbo yun. Hindi ako nagda-drive ng mabilis. So, malayo talaga as in, malayo. Napakalaki kasi ng country na to. Lahat ng mga lugar dito ang lalayo. Kaya gusto rin niya ni Tati Bari talaga dito sa city talaga kami. Kasi everything in here. Kasi pag sa country ka, kung ano mga ibang kailangan mo, punta ka pa dito sa city. Kasi may mga shops din doon. Pero hindi hindi ganun karaming choices kagaya dito. Parang dyan sa atin. Diba? Pag sa kabukiran ka nakatira, kailangan mo pumunta pa sa bayan. Yung mga ganun. May mabibili ka rin naman sa bukid, pero syempre yung mga maliliit na tindahan ng mga ganon. So, ganon din dito. At ang layo-layo, basta malayo siya, malayo sa kabihasnan. Pero, masarap talaga dun mag-relax. As in, very relaxing. Nakita nyo naman yung sa holiday house namin. Very relaxing talaga. Yan lang. Tapos na, wala na. Ganun talaga. Pag nag-iedad na yan. Siguro ako din. Ayoko na rin ng maraming mga pag may edad ako. Yung maraming aasikasuhin. Para relax na lang. Haya-haya ang buhay. Enjoy ang buhay. Kasi kung marami ka pang iniisip, tatanda ka na lang ng ganun, di ba? Si Daddy Barry, ayaw niya ng ng maraming iniisip. Gusto niya mag-relax sa buhay. So, parang na siyang iniisip. Mga ang daming bayarin. Imagine nga guys, yung bahay na yan, nung matapos na mga bentahan, ang daming mga binayaran pa. Ang dami-daming gastos. So, yan. Nabuo na natin yung isang kilay. Tama na yan. Ganyan lang. Ayan. Ako, napadark pa. Napadark.
Oh, really?
Ah!
This one happened.
Again?
Yeah, this one happened in the new house.
Okay, wait. Wait lang. Okay guys, ready na tayo. Ayan, mamaya na tayo mag-lipstick doon sa car. Kasi kailangan na namin umalis. Kasi may time lang yung pagtingin doon sa bahay. Ayan. Let's go. Ito nga pala guys. Nilagyan namin ng carpet dito. Alisin din naman namin. Hi, let's go. Guys, nandito na kami and we are going to see and look that house for sale. 3 bedrooms and close to the beach as well. So, titingnan namin kung magugustuhan namin. So, not sure to buy. Tingin-tingin muna. Look and look. Maybe one day you will find the other one. Oh, we should buy this. This is a lot better. So, make choices na.
Well, you see what you see and you make your mind up. That's what it is. You know, you can't tell what you're going to do until you see.
Yes, yeah.
But I'm not one of those that looks around at 500 houses. I'm not going to do that.
Not 500 houses.
Well, there are.
That's too much.
There's 500 houses for sale. You know, you can look at all of them.
Oh my
I
God.
went to look at that one yesterday. It was just a fucking piece of shit. Oh,
No.
it was shocking.
Yeah.
And Belinda said, "Oh, that looks all right," but it wasn't all right. It was terrible.
If it's terrible, that's the people they knock down and then.
No, so they can renovate too.
Yeah.
You know, get an old kitchen but to do those things costs a lot of money to renovate.
Yeah.
You know, you spend your $100,000 to renovate a house completely.
Oh.
You got a new kitchen, fully painted, new floors, new carpets,
Yeah.
solar energy, everything like that. All costs a lot of money.
Yes.
You know, but if it's all there and you've got a reasonable location, well, it's very, very hard to beat.
Yeah.
But it's not for everybody. Not everybody wants that type of house.
Yeah.
Most people don't. Most people with younger children who are in the market now want a yard.
Yeah. Yes.
Young families, young couples that want to just They don't want that. They want something. They want something
big
different.
yard.
They want something different. They want like the 2-story type.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You know, those type of things now. You know, the new 2-story ones. You know, and they don't want any lawn and any garden. They just want just the house to live in.
Yeah.
Everybody's different, and it's different times of your life. You need different things.
Yes.
See, these houses along here would be cheaper because this is very, very busy area.
Yeah, it is. It's cheaper here in that side.
No, it's not cheaper. It's cheaper on the road here.
Oh, okay.
2 houses back, a couple of rows back, more expensive.
More expensive. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
So those people there getting in and out of their house. See that car's there?
Yes.
Getting in and out of that house is bloody hard work because of your driveway's right on the intersection.
Yes.
So whereas this house here, see this one here? It might front this road, but it's got an access from the side.
Yes.
So that's a lot better.
Yes.
What the fuck are you doing here? I don't even know what.
Oh, okay.
This is prime area, prime real estate.
Okay.
You can do what they've done here. See, these are
yeah,
smaller.
these are beautiful.
They're small.
Yeah, nice.
Well, they're very small.
Yeah.
Very small houses. The bedrooms would be small. See this one here, look, just a knockdown, complete knockdown that house. That one there, you knocked that one down.
Yeah.
You know, but
very small. But why very small bedroom they make it?
Because
just
that was
for
the
one
way.
person.
That's the way they used to make them. You know, these are 50-year-old houses.
No. Ito na guys, nandito na kami. Ito yung kitchen, may oven, may microwave. Yan, ito yung ano, yung lutuan, electric stove. Ito yung sink. Isang malaki, isang maliit. Yung drawers. Ito yung lagayan ng fridge. Ayan, dito, meron dito. This is the one we saw in the picture. Why they put this to block this area from the driveway.
You can drive in there, you see.
Yeah.
It's a driveway.
Yeah.
You can put a caravan in there or a car or something.
Yes.
So if you have a caravan, you can leave it there.
Yeah. And outside, it's an outside. Ayan, meron ditong extra yard pa sa likod. Oh, yun. Kung maglaba, may sampayan dun. Quite okay. What's this? Oh yeah. What was this? Laundry.
Laundry, yes. You can go outside.
Yeah, I hung clothes outside. There. Yeah. You hang, there is the hang. You have to go in there to hang the clothes.
Why, where is it?
Yeah, there.
That's it down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's just that, see?
Yes. Yeah. Oh, laundry.
I'm going to take it away anyway.
This is the shower. This is the bedroom. Where's the big bedroom?
Back here.
There, back there. Small bedroom.
But it's big enough for a double bed.
Oh.
It's got a wardrobe in it.
Yeah.
This is as big as our other bedroom. You reckon?
No, your bedroom is bigger than this. The other.
So they've all got blinds on them mostly.
Yes.
So you don't need curtains.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but
Hmm?
this is a small room.
Well, they're both small.
Yeah. Ah, this is bigger.
Well, it's
Yeah.
got no
Well,
wardrobe.
no. Ah. So where is they going to put their
Well, you can
clothes?
buy a wardrobe, put it in here.
I thought you would take the space.
How much space? Though? You know, how much? You have you don't have to have done big double beds. You know, 3/4 beds.
Mm,
Who knows?
this is toilet. Yeah. I think this is new.
It's all new.
Yeah. This is the old one.
Yeah, we can.
Old.
But that can be done again if you. But I don't. That's
Yeah.
all right.
And the sink.
What?
One small. One small and one
Yeah,
big.
but that's just for rinsing.
Yeah. Mm. Okay.
It's good. I like it. See, plenty of cupboard space.
Yeah. On top as well. And here also. And this also on top as well.
Yeah, and fridge.
Yeah.
Fridge goes in.
A small fridge.
Yeah, but you can get a narrow fridge.
Your fridge doesn't fit here.
No, but you can buy a new narrow fridge, like a proper high fridge.
Yes, and
You know,
narrow.
with a freezer.
Yes. Freezer down. The freezer is down here.
No, you can have the freezer on top or the bottom. You can have them either way.
On the bottom is better.
And this is the dining table.
Yeah.
Ours would fit here. Put a rug under it.
Hmm.
It's all got blinds.
It's a cabinet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No, that's not. The other side's.
Yeah, drawers.
Big drawers.
Yeah.
Big drawers.
Yeah.
So, you know, I think it's good. Look at this. And they cut it. Blended.
Yeah, that's for the cooking pot.
Yeah, all spices in there.
Yes.
The soft closed drawers.
Yeah. This is for the. This is the for no.